So I was talking about selling information-based products. And I said selling information product based product is all about selling information to people on things that can help them, their life or their businesses. For instance, how to migrate and work in Canada, how to marry as a single mother. You might be surprised. How to cook foreign food, how to make sales in a good way, how to sell online with webinar, how to use Instagram effectively. Let me give you an example. When I created this class, a lot of people, we are over 500 in the class, doesn't know how to use webinar. They don't even know how to use Zoom to even do anything. Just imagine you know how to package this thing very well, a video or a PDF file that tells people how to use webinar to increase sales, to make profits, things like that. And you begin to sell. Just imagine the number of people that will partner. Let's say maybe you organize a class like this, and you ask people to pay just 1,000 naira. Okay, let me blow your mind. I was discussing with a friend day before yesterday when I was talking about this class. I said, do you ever consider using something like LinkedIn? Package it like this: how to land your first job using LinkedIn. You know, many Nigerians doesn't know how to do this. You might be thinking like, what is in LinkedIn? People know how to do. No, they don't. I'm sincere. They don't know how to use LinkedIn to get a job. I think I will even do this thing. What I just told you, I think I will do it now. Do a PDF file or a video of it on how to use LinkedIn step by step. Tell people how to land their first job with LinkedIn or how to get a job using LinkedIn. Just tell them maybe for 500 or 1,000 naira. Remember, you have not spent anything. All it requires is your time. Go to Google. You don't even need to understand it very well. Go to Google. Search. People doesn't have that time. Go on YouTube. Go and watch videos how how LinkedIn can be used. Package a product. Tag it. How to land your first job using LinkedIn. Sell it for 1,000 naira, 500. Just imagine 1,000 people patronize you, maybe on Twitter, on Instagram, or on Facebook. You are making money without any stress. That is how to sell information. Many of us, we have something within us which we felt like, oh, this thing is easy. Nobody will patronize me. Have you ever thought of it like this? Many people can't do what you are doing. That is the fact. Stop taking it with levity as if it's common and everybody can do. No, it's not everybody. Till date, it's not everybody that knows how to create a page on Facebook. It's the truth. You know, one of my boss shared something on the status some days ago. He was talking about how to locate how to put people's business on Google. I'm telling you, people that took steps to do that thing makes money with it. People doesn't know. Many companies doesn't know how to put their business on Google. It's an information. What we are talking about is this: sell products, then sell information-based products. Now, let me tell you another side to it. Please, don't go and sell some irrelevant information. I mean, irrelevant information. I mean, information that will not help people, like how to understand human brain. Nobody will buy from you. What is our business with brain? Nobody cares about brain. Say things that can, something that excites people, something that make people move closer to their dream or desire. Like what I've said, how to migrate and work in Canada, that's an example. How to marry as a single mother, that we have a lot of single mothers that want to marry. So selling information online can be regarded as a lazy man way to making millions. All you need is consistency and focus. Information sells like mad today and is needed everywhere. The only issue is for you to know the information you are going to sell, not just any kind of information that is needed today. The only issue is for you to know the information you are going to sell, not just complicated stuff like how to understand human brain. Minds, who cares? Nobody cares. Now, selling information attains two things. Let me quickly explain the number one. It must help people overcome a particular problem. When you want to sell an information, for example, one of my students that attended my business class 4 months ago, started selling information on how to cook local food. I told her the steps she's going to take to do that. And she did that. I'm telling you, she was so shocked. If you are on my WhatsApp, if you save my number, you will see the testimony that I never knew people would ever patronize me. The girl is doing fine now with her business. I told her how to package the business, create a WhatsApp group, start telling people how to cook. The girl is good. We finished from the same university. The girl is good when it comes to cooking. She's good. And I told her how to say that information to people. One, it must help people overcome a particular problem. Let me tell you, when I discussed this lady with another person, I said, I have a friend that is into cooking and she has a class, blah, blah, blah. You know what the lady said? The lady said, I would like to enroll. How much? I just jokingly, I said, 5,000 naira. The lady said, I'm interested because I can't cook. You will be shocked to see people that cannot cook patronizing this lady on how to cook local food. So the first thing is the information must help people overcome a particular problem. Make sure that what you want to say to people help them to overcome a problem. That is vital, is important. Two, the information must make them closer to a desire. If, for example, somebody that wants to travel out of the country, it's a desire. He wants to run away. The person just stumble on your post how to run away from Nigeria, or how to escape out of Nigeria, or how to migrate from Nigeria to Canada, or how to migrate from Nigeria to Europe. The person is going to buy. There is a desire. For example, ladies want to look beautiful. Imagine you are selling a product on how to make you glow, how to make you look beautiful. They will patronize. That is why they buy human hair. That is why they enter chemical to bleach their skin. It's normal. Men will buy products that have to do with sex, how to enlarge your penis. Who cares if it's moral or not? As long as you make your money, they will buy. How to last long on bed, people will buy. They will rush you. That is it. That's why Jaruma is selling on Instagram. Many of you know Jaruma. That's why she's selling, because these are desire. People want to be loved. People want to be cherished. Jaruma look for a product. I don't care, maybe he's using jazz or anything. It's not my business. She's making her money. And that is it. That's just it. She says something that help people desire. They want to get closer to a particular dream. You find out the dream and you begin to sell products to them. When selling information-based products, look into topics related to finance, how to increase your money, how to invest properly. People will buy the product from you. People want to make money. Businesses, making money, investment, health, weight loss, beauty, fertility, sexual related issues. These are all selling information that people want to buy. You will be surprised when you open a site and say how you can meet your dream man. People will come to you. Many people are single. They are looking for a man to propose to them. They didn't see any man, and you are coming with a solution. People will buy. I watched a lady on YouTube some days ago. It was talking about, she was using Ekiti dialect. And I fell in love with what she was doing. She was, apologies to those people that can't speak Yoruba. I'm going to say this in Yoruba. I said, I was laughing. People were rushing her, listening to her on how to have sex. And you might be thinking this doesn't make any sense. The lady is making her money. So when you want to start information-based products, look at issues that have to do with finances, businesses, making money, investment, health, weight loss, beauty, fertility, sexual related issues. These are areas, these are key areas you should look into. If you have any information about this area, remember, you've not spent any money. All you need is your laptop or your phone to type. Look for a correct avenue to sell, especially Instagram or Facebook, or even your WhatsApp. Start pumping the information. If you have been following me, or you are on my YouTube channel, if you have watched all my videos on YouTube, I've talked about how to market any product, step by step on how to relate and market any product. You can go on YouTube for that. You can go on YouTube. I will release my YouTube channel very soon to the group. You can go there and see how to do marketing. You can market any product. After that class, I can show you that. Watch all the videos on YouTube. You will know how to market any product, step by step on how to market any product. That is about information marketing. You don't need anything. All you need is your phone, a good information. For example, there's a friend of mine on WhatsApp. I can see him in this class now. I'm going to use him as an example. He has been talking to me that I should go and reduce my tummy. And I've been working on it. It's just that the pepper soup will not allow me to have flat tummy. I'm tired. But then the guy has this information on how to make people have flat tummy. The things you are going to use, the lime orange, how you will mix it together, things like that. And I'm telling you now, guy, you can make money with that information. If you give it consistency, that is what it requires, consistency. You know how to play keyboard, you can teach people online. That is information. You know how to do something, you can teach people online. That is information. Anything you can do, anything that solves a particular problem is information you can sell. I think that is about selling information. I'm sharing my screen again. Okay. The second thing we'll be talking about, I missed this, this should be the second thing, not the third thing. The second business you can do online with your phone and laptop is e-commerce. I do this personally. This is one of the business I do personally, and it pays my bills. This is about 3 things. Now, I will use this medium to as well correct people that are doing mini importation, e-commerce, and things like that. E-commerce is about 3 things, and I will talk about those 3 things. 1, searching for physical product that solves people's problem. This number 1, jot it down. It's about searching for product that solve people's problem. E-commerce, that is why people are not making money from e-commerce. I'm shouting now. Somebody will come and meet me. I bought bags, I bought this, I bought that. I'm not making money. Is it solving any problem? E-commerce is about solving people's problem. The first thing you need to know in e-commerce is this. It must solve people's problem. So it's about searching for products that solve people's problem. 2, buying the products at the lowest cost possible, importing them to Nigeria. That's the second thing. Buy it at, I will talk about this as time goes on now. Marketing them strategically in Nigeria. I have said you need to visit my YouTube channel to read about marketing. Please, you can go there and read about marketing. Now, how to start? Start with huge and profitable audience / markets. And this can be in fitness, babies, their mother, women's fashion, skincare. The first thing is start with a huge and profitable audience. And I said it when we're talking about information. There's a relationship between information and e-commerce. Go to things that people will buy. Fitness, people want to lose weight. Babies, mothers, they have a lot of challenges. You can look into the market. Women's fashion, woman hair, skincare, they want to, what do they call it now? I want to tone my skin. I want to tone my skin. I'm not bleaching, but I want to tone my skin. I'm not bleaching, not lie. I want to tone my, just be deceiving ourselves. So people want to look good. Skincare, these are products you should look into. Something that solves people's problem. Look for challenges people are having in that market. Now, when you identify a big market, look at the challenges they are having there. Let me use, for example, you look at fitness. What is the challenge they are having in fitness? Maybe there is a product that they need to have 6-pack. Find product on AliExpress. Okay, find products on AliExpress or 1688 that solves that problem. Buy the product at the lowest cost you can find, lowest cost possible. Create a marketing system that allows you pull people who are interested in the types of products you are importing. Sell to them, sell again. I want to share something with you. My company, the company I work with, we have, I want to share our website with you. This is DigiView Nigeria Limited, www.digiview Nigeria Limited. Just go to www.digiviewng.com. This company will help you. This is our website, digiview.com. This company, you can call us on this number. We help you to buy your products from China. This is me. Wow. Bring this to Nigeria at the lowest cost possible. So you can always go to this site. I'm not asking you for money, please. Go to the site, go and read about how it works, about us. Everything is here on this website. Read everything you need to read about how to import. Then, if you want to join the class, we have a class, more than 20 classes. We've trained over 5,000 young persons in Nigeria on mini importation and e-commerce business. If you want to join the class, after this teaching, you can message me on WhatsApp. I will tell you, it costs just 10,000 naira. Just 10,000 naira to begin your importation business. That is if you want to join the class. But please, if you just want the class, you can come here and read about it. If you know how to find your way around it, you can start the business. Then, this is a website I'm talking about where you can get cheap products, 1688.com. This website is where you can get cheap products aside AliExpress. If you have if you have an extra phone or maybe on your laptop, you can quickly log in to that site, 1688.com. If you use Chrome, it will translate it to English. Okay, I'll go back to share my screen with you. So this is how the site look like. If you use Chrome to open the site, it will translate it in English. So you can search for as many products as possible here on 1688. Just look, they have cheap products. I can tell you that they have cheap products. If you see a product on AliExpress, it's the same owner, it's the same Alibaba that owns AliExpress that also owns this 1688. So you can come here and search for products you see on AliExpress at a cheaper rate here. I think this is camera. Just come here and search for as many products as possible. But then if you want to be a student, maybe you want to have more knowledge on what e-commerce is all about, you can always message me on WhatsApp to get that. Or you want to join one of our classes on WhatsApp, you want to be one of our students, you can always message me for that. Let's go there. All right. The business of cryptocurrency. Huh? Many people always come to me. I want to do Bitcoin. I want to do this. I want to do that. Tonight, I will be talking about the business of cryptocurrency. Somebody is talking again. So, we're talking about the business of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency first came into existence when Satoshi introduced Bitcoin. Satoshi is a no person. Nobody knows Satoshi, but I believe Satoshi is a Chinese guy. That's my belief. Satoshi Nakamoto is a Chinese guy. That's my belief. Bitcoin happens to be the first cryptocurrency, but then today we have over 2,000 other cryptocurrency in the world. So today we have over 2,000 other cryptocurrencies in the world. There are many ways to make money with cryptocurrency. For the purpose of this class, I will be mentioning few of those ways. Now, cryptocurrency is so vast. We have a lot of things attached to it. I have a book, a short PDF book, where I talk about 7 ways to make money with cryptocurrency. If you want that book, it's free. I will send it to the class. Please, someone should remind me. I will send the book to the class. And I have another book, like 73 pages, The ABC of Cryptocurrency. It will help you to understand the genesis, how to open a wallet, how to begin your first journey in cryptocurrency. I don't charge for it. It's free. These books are free. Just remind me. Number one, how to make money in cryptocurrency. Trading cryptocurrencies. This is my full-time job. Trading cryptocurrency. And another thing, I will talk about that at the end of this class, is my full-time job. This involves the use of tools to predict the movement of coins on exchange like Binance and BitMEX. These skills allow you to acquire more Bitcoin and sell to make some cash. 2, Bitcoin investments. This is very simple. It's all about buying Bitcoin or any other good coin and hold for a very long period of time. It's like you are buying a land and you kept it somewhere for a long period of time. By the time I said my book, 7 ways to make money with cryptocurrency, you will have more light to this. Buying and selling of Bitcoin. We call them Bitcoin merchants. These are people that buy Bitcoin from one person and sell to another. Of course, there are other ways to make money with cryptocurrency. All right, okay. The business of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency first came into existence with Satoshi. When Satoshi introduced Bitcoin, as I said, I believe Satoshi is a Chinese guy, although he is not known. He's an unknown person. But personally, I believe he is a Chinese guy. So cryptocurrency first came into existence when Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin in the year 2009. I believe personally that Satoshi is a Chinese guy, although he is not known. I believe Satoshi is a Chinese guy. Then I said, today we have over 2,000 other cryptocurrencies in the world. We have over 2,000 of it, many of them. So I was talking about how you can make money from cryptocurrency. And I said, I have a PDF book that talks about 7 things you can do to make money with cryptocurrency. And I said, I will share that in the class. Just remind me. And also I have a PDF book that talks about the ABC of cryptocurrency. The ABC talks about the things you can do, how you can begin your cryptocurrency journey. That's about that. And I also said, for the purpose of this class, I will talk about 3 things you can do to make money in cryptocurrency. And I talked the first one, trading cryptocurrency. The first one, trading cryptocurrency. That is just about exchanging of Bitcoin for other coins. And I said you can do it on BitMEX and Binance. Of course, there are ways to it. 2, I talk about Bitcoin merchants. Those are guys that buy Bitcoin from others. So sometimes you have friends, I have a lot of them. Buy your Bitcoin, sell your Bitcoin, you know. People that their father said to go and become doctor. Nigeria changed their career, they are Bitcoin sellers now. I sell Lightroom card, I sell Walmart. They can sell anything. They are Bitcoin merchants and they are making their money. You can do that as well. Buy Bitcoin and sell to others. You can do that. The third one is Bitcoin investment. What am I saying is, you can buy Bitcoin or other coins and hold for a long period of time. Like you are buying a piece of land and you are holding for a long period of time. That is about Bitcoin investment. Those are the 3 things for now you can do and make money with cryptocurrencies. And please listen to this, very, very important. Cryptocurrency is so vast and so big. It's a big industry, But then if you want to come to cryptocurrency, I will say this. Kindly go to someone that knows about it to enlighten you before you do it. And I said the other time, I said, I am a cryptocurrency trader. I trade on BitMEX and Binance to make good money. For the purpose of this class, please, I told you from the beginning that the class is free. I'm giving you free information. But I said some of the things you are going to do might require you to pay some money to start. Please, I have made that clear. If you want to learn about trading cryptocurrency from your room. Personally, I do it for $150. But for the purpose of this class, I made up my mind that, okay, I will do it for 20 people for $50. If 20 people message me and say they want to learn about cryptocurrency, join my group where they get signal, where I mentor them on how to do this. I will make it $50 for those guys before next week. And then next week, we go back to, by God's grace, 2020, we are taking it for $200. Nothing, I don't negotiate it. Most of my now are here, they know me for that. I don't negotiate it. But for the purpose of this class, the first 20 people get it for $50. So that's about that. Please, it's not compulsory. Don't come and stress me. Don't come and ask me, can you do it for $20? I am not forcing you. It's not compulsory. It's something you want to do. If you want to, please. That is clear. So that's about that. So I will share the screen now for you to see what I've just said about cryptocurrency. Exchange rate of what? Oh, people like money. Eh? Let me share my screen now. Okay, this is what I've just said about cryptocurrency. Number one, trading cryptocurrency. 2, Bitcoin investment, and the third one, buying and selling of Bitcoin. Those are the 3 ways you can make money from trading cryptocurrency. Don't forget, please, you need to remind me. You need to remind me after the class to share those PDF books with you. I wrote them myself. You can learn a lot from those books for free. So tonight, we've been able to look at, number 1, selling information-based products. Number 2, e-commerce business. Number 3, cryptocurrency. And that is, do a little recap. Now, making money online with your phone and laptop. Number 1, selling information-based product. And I said, selling information-based product is all about selling things to people in a form of information. And I said, before you do that, make sure the information do 2 things. Number 1, solve their problem. Number 2, make them closer to their desire. And we talk about areas you need to look at. I said, for instance, you can use LinkedIn, package a video. You can use this Zoom app to do that. And you may not be able to do this much. I paid Zoom $100 so that it can accommodate more than 100 people. I can do 1,000 because I paid. I'm on Webinar and Zoom Pro. But your own, you may not be able to do that if you don't pay them. But you can still use it for free. Just that after 40 minutes, they will cut you off. And you have to start again. But me, I can do this meeting for 3 hours and nothing will happen. That's what, but then you can use this app to record your videos. You can just open LinkedIn. You can see the way I just share my screen. Share your screen with your audience. Teach them how to use LinkedIn to land a job. Then don't forget, the way the information is being packaged is very, very important. If you just say, understanding LinkedIn, nobody will buy from you. It's market psychology. Go to my YouTube channel and learn about marketing. The words you use matters a lot. Don't just say how to use LinkedIn. People might not prefer, but when you say using LinkedIn to land your first job, people are hungry. They are looking for a job. That will trigger them. Their desire will, they are closer to their desire with that's your information. Or if you are selling, if you say understanding how to, if you are cooking and say understanding how to cook, people might not get it. Just say saving your home with African food. Can you see the way it's packaged? Now packaging, saving your home with African dishes. People will, oh, what is it going to say? If you are selling a product have to do with sense, the way you say understanding, understanding sense, nobody will buy from you. But then use a word like go more than 1 hour on bed with her. So it's like that, people will buy. So I said, all you need to do is package the information very well. Look for a place where you can sell, especially Instagram and Facebook. Begin to talk about those things. Maybe how to escape from Nigeria. Why am I using escape? How to migrate from Nigeria. Don't let me use escape again. How to migrate from Nigeria. How to get how to get husband as a baby mama, how to marry in 21st century, making your relationship works, a lot of things like that. Things that can psych people and make them patronize you. Sell the information on a good platform. You will make money. I'm serious. It will look like I sell information a lot. I sell information a lot. All my life, I've been selling information about cryptocurrency, about forex, about e-commerce, about things. I sell a lot of information. I just finished selling business information on one of my group. I just asked them to pay 1,000 naira, and people join. And I share with them. Although when I get to them, they know themselves that it's more than 1,000, but I want to do it like that, 1,000 naira. I know about business. Yeah, that's my job. And I send the information to people. So look for things. And I said, area you should be looking at is business, finance, investment, sales industry. That is a good industry to look at. That's about information. So, all right, package the information and sell to people. And I say this thing again. Anything that solves people's problem is a good information you can sell. I have a friend on WhatsApp. The girl is into this cake stuff. She bakes. She sells a lot of information. And I just sometimes I look at her as, wow, you Lolly B, that girl can sell anything. I love that. So I'm telling you, you will make money selling information. The second thing we talk about e-commerce, and I discussed 1688 with you. I told you you can get anything you are looking for on 1688 and AliExpress. I didn't open AliExpress, but I opened 1688. If you see a product on AliExpress, you can also see the product on 1688. And I'll introduce you to our company. We can help you buy and ship from China to Nigeria. You get it at our Lagos office, or we send it to anywhere you are in Nigeria. Even if it's Maduguri, if you are living in Sambisa Forest, we will send it to you in Sambisa Forest. So, and I said, if you want to be one of our students, people that belongs to our class, we have a class on WhatsApp. We have trained over 5,000 people in e-commerce business, and they are doing good. Yes, I can talk about a lot of them that are doing good today, making money in e-commerce business. I said, that will cost you 10,000 naira. It's not compulsory. You might not do it. You might just find your way around 1688, send your link to us. We will get your goods for you in Nigeria. E-commerce is one thing you can do. And I said some things about e-commerce. Please, either you are doing e-commerce before you want to start. Don't just buy anything. Don't just go there and say, this thing is fine, and you buy it. You won't make the million. No. Look for products that solve people's problem. Be problem-oriented. Solve problem. That's where the money is. You solve problem. Solve people's problem. Look for products that actually solve something. A product, there was a time I was selling a product, ear coiler. It's an electric ear coiler. Just put battery and it will coil your ear. It's solving a problem. So make sure your product is solving a particular problem. Then look for the cheapest price you can get, import it to Nigeria, create a marketing channel, and begin to sell. My boss started the business with 15,000 naira. I started my own with 50,000 naira, and today we are all doing fine. He started selling pants. This is it push-up pants? That pants, you can tuck in your tummy in that pants, and you will look slim. There was one of our students. She's selling Yoni Pearl. She don't buy iPhone from the thing. She's a lot of things that can solve problems. Somebody selling nano screen guard. It helped my phone. Where's my phone? When the phone dropped yesterday, because I was using nano screen guard, nothing happened to my screen. That is good products you can sell. Make sure it's solving something and sell the products. Now let me give you an idea. For instance, your church. There are needs in your church that you can sell. Don't tell me, I don't know how to sell. Your mosque, people are there. When you see people, there is market. They must have a problem. Yes. When I was doing my IT years back, there was this thing I observed. Myself and my boss, when he came back from Germany, we were talking, I said, there are a lot of banana at the back of that complex. I said, sir, ever thought of making this banana, let's make it a powder store for people that have diabetes. And we went to the hospital, we were asking how many people have diabetes that come here on daily basis. The doctor gave us the reports. And we approached them. We package this for them like laughing. We do this, give it to them. It's iron. They can take it. That is market. People have problem. Your friends have problem. Many of them, they have issues. They won't discuss it with you until you find out. Some ladies have issues. Their vagina is giving them problem. Look for product that can solve it. It's that simple. Some, they want to look beautiful. They don't know how. If you know how to do, is it makeover or makeup? The thing is becoming difficult now. I think it's makeover now. You can bring things. Just think. The problem is think. Sit down and start thinking of problems you can solve. You are a pastor, your church, they don't have band, wristband. You can do one for them. From 1688, yeah, from China. Wristband, sell and make money. You can customize something for a company and make money. It's e-commerce. Sima Bell does that a lot. She's making millions. She started 2 years ago. I remember when we were talking in Abuja 2 years ago, and she was discussing this idea with me. Today she's making a lot of money. Please, money is everywhere. Especially in this e-commerce business, is everywhere. We attend to all questions later. Please, I don't want to be distracted. Now, the last thing I talk about is cryptocurrency. I gave you 3 ways you can make money with cryptocurrency. And I told you that to be my student or to belong to my class where you have Signal and other things is $150. But for 20 people from this class that we want to join, I will make it $50. Something just happened today. My students were actually happy, and we make a lot of profit on Binance. If you are a trader here, you can go and check RCN, ADS, VET, and one other coin like that. We make a lot of. You can see that how they shoot up. It's my business. I know what I am doing, and I can do it very well. I give them Signal, they fall into my Signal, and today all of us are smiling. You can see me smiling now. Money is coming. That's why I'm smiling. Money is coming, and it should come. December don't close. So that is about that. And I told you the 3 ways you can make money. Number 1, you can trade cryptocurrency. Number 2, you can be a Bitcoin merchant. Number 3, you can invest in cryptocurrency. Those are the ways you can make money with cryptocurrency. Let me begin to read questions, and I will give answers to all questions now.